Okay, question number 1. Find the area of the shaded region. So here we have, and it's bell-shaped and it never touches x-axis. Okay, so if this is our average mean, where z-score is equal 0, now we have 0.18, so slightly, let me see, I need to take closer. Okay, like this, slightly above. So we need to find this shaded area. And this is z is equal 0.18. Okay, we need to find the area, which is the probability practically. Z-score is equal 0.18 because that shaded area is your probability. Okay, so 0.18, since it's positive, we are moving to positive page for the z-score. So 0.18 is going to be 0.1 and going all the way to 8, which is here. 0.8, we get 0.6103. Okay, so it's equal 0.6103. Okay, next one. Question number 2. Now again, we need to find the shaded area. What do we have here? 0.51. So if this is our mean right here, 51, it's going to be a little bit here. And we need to find the area to the right. Okay. Area to the right. Okay. Trying to make it nicer. All right. So, and this is z-score is equal 0.51. All right. So probability for z-score, it says find the area of the shaded under the standard normal distribution. Okay, well, the shaded area here, it's going to be to the right, which means it's going to be greater equal 0.51. Let's not to put equal, because for equal we don't have to go the way we are going to go. It's greater only. 0.51. Equal sign you can put when you have less than, okay, to the left. Just like we put z-score equal 0.18. All right, so let's find 0.51. Let me clean this. 0.51, 0.5, and here is 1. So we have 0.6950. That's a z-score less equal 0.51. And that is equal 0.6950. Now, since we have to the right, and we figured out what is to the left, obviously, this is to the left, 0.6950, then this area, it's going to be 1 minus 0.6950. Yes? Okay, so from here we have probability for z-score greater than 0.51 is equal 1 minus probability for z-score less equal 0.51, which is equal 1 minus 0.6950, and that's going to give us 0.3050. Okay? Number 3. We need to find in between the area, which means it's going to be between 0, it's asking for 0, one is 0, and the other one 1.2. So the shaded area is going to be this. Okay. So what do we have between? Since we have between, then what we're going to do? We need to find probability score less equal 1.2. This is what we need to find out. Okay, first we need to find out probability for z-score less equal 0, right? Which is going to be this area from 0 to the left. And when it's 0, it's splitting, right, by 50%. If this is our average, 0, that means 50% here, 50% here. If you check your table, 0, 0, it's 0.5, which is 50%. So for 0, z-score is equal 0. I don't even need to look on the, in the table. So it's going to be 0.5. Okay? Now I need to find probability for z-score less equal 1.2. Now for 1.2, it's going to be this area from here all the way to here. Yes? So let's find 1.2. Here it is, 1.2, and since there is no the second decimal, it's going to be this number, 0.0849, because we have here 0, 1.20, right? So it is equal 0.8849. Okay. So from here, probability for z-score less equal z less equal 1.2, it's going to be equal 0.8849 minus 0.5, and that is equal 0.3849. All right? Okay. Number 4. Question number 4, what do we have here? So this time we have this is our 0. So we need to find area between negative 1.2 and area between 1.6. So the shaded area is going to be so what is going to be probability negative 1.2 less equal z-score less equal 1.6. So first we need to find probability for z-score less equal negative 1.2. So see, I forgot to show you, let me see. I would like to show you this area that we found it, the yellow in previous one, guys. This is the area between 0 and 1.2, and that is going to be 0.8849. I wanted to show on the graph also, 0.5. Okay? And the result, you have it. Okay, so less than 1.2, let's negative 1.2. Let's go here. Where is my negative 1.2? Right here. Because it's coming from 0, right? First number. The solution is going to be 0.1151. For this score less equal 1.6. Now let's find for this score less equal 1.6. So going to positive 1.6. It's right here. And the area 0.9452. 0.9452. So this result area here is equal 0.9452 minus 0.1151. Okay, so probability negative 1.2 less equal z-score less equal 1.6 is equal 0.9452 minus 0.1151, and the answer is going to be 0.8301. Question number 5. So now it says we need to find probability without graphing for z-score is left to z-score equals 0.72. Even if I put z-score equals 0.72, or also I can put less equal, doesn't matter because it's going to show to the left area. Our table shows to the left here, see? The picture to the left, right? All right, so we have 0.72. Where is 0.72? Here 0.7. And 2 is coming all the way to here. See? So we get 0.7642. Okay, question number 6. We need to find to the right. So we need to find to the right. So if I put z-score equal, I can put either equal negative 1.81. So, but it's because it's to the right, then it would be proper way to put greater than to show that it's to the right. So what do we have to do first? First, we need to find out probability for this score. I can put negative equal negative 1.81. I can put less equal. It doesn't matter again, remember, because the table shows to the left. So let me put less equal, doesn't matter. Okay, this is equal. Where is negative 181? Okay. This negative 181. 1 8 here. And 0 and 1. So it's coming here, it is 1. If you come down, it's going to be 0.0351. So probability for this score, we need greater than, right? To the right. That will be equal 1 minus the one to the left. 0.81, which means this is equal 1 minus 0.0351, which is going to be equal 0.9649. Okay. Question number 7. So we need to find between z score equals 0 and z score equal 133. We know how to put, right? Z score equals 0 and z score equal 133. There we go. So first we need to find probability for z score less equal 0, which I don't look in the table, and that is equal 0.5, right? And probability for z score less equal 1.33. That is equal, let's see, 1.33 moving to positive. Okay, 1.3, where is my 33? It's coming to here. Okay, and this is when it's coming. We are getting 0.9082. 0.9082. Okay, and from here, probability z score less equal z less equal 1.33, and this is equal 0.9082 minus 0.5. 0.4082. Okay, question number 8. Not bad, isn't it? It's not difficult to work with table. The only thing you have to remember, if you are finding, when you need to find area for z-score greater than, then you have to subtract from 1, because table is giving only to the left, our table. Or you can find the table that shows to the right also. It's up to you. Question number 8. Now we need probability for z-score is equal negative 133 and positive 133. Okay, negative 1.33 less equal z-score less equal 1.33. I don't have to tell you that first has to come smaller number, right? You can put 133 greater than 133 and less than negative 133. It will be to opposite sides, either to the left and to the right, but not between. So, probability for z-score less equal negative 1.33. So, negative moving up, 1.3, where is our 3 here? Oh, here it is. It's coming right here. And this is our number. And this number is 0.90918. 0.0918. Now probability for z-score less equal 1.33. That is equal, we're going to do positive 1. .33. 3 and 3. .33, and that's going to be 0.9082. So the difference between them z-score less equal 1.33 is equal 0.9082 minus 0.0918, and the answer is 0.81 8164. Okay, question number 9. So we need to find the probability for z-score between 0.29, which is, if this is 0, this will be 0.29, and between negative 1.99. Negative 1.99. Okay, so, and the area is going to be, oops. Okay, so probability for z-score is less equal negative 1.99. And then we need to find probability for z-score less equal 0.29. So less equal negative 1.99. Okay, since we have positive, let me write down 0.29 first. This is going 20 and going all the way to 9. Yes? Right here. It's going to be 0.6141. 0.6141. Okay? Let me clean this. Now we're moving to negative 1.99. 1.9, it's right here. And we're going again all the way to the 9, to the end. Right? Because 0.09 is the last one. It's right here. See? So the answer is 0.0233. 0233. Okay? All right. So from here, probability between z-score is greater than negative 1.99 less than 0.29 is equal 0.6141 minus 0.0233, and that is equal 0.5908. 0.5908. Okay, question number 10. So we need to find probability for z-score is less than negative 2.03. Okay, negative 2.0. So we are taking 2.0 and then we go where free is. Where is free? Going like this, and here is free, right? Intersection is right here, 0.0212. 0.0212. So, okay. Clean this. Next question number 11. So, probability for z-score is greater than 2.11. So every time you see 2 point greater than, always remember you are going to do 1 minus. So first we need to find z-score less equal 2.11. Equal sign always goes with less because for our table it shows the area to the left anyway. So that's equal 2.11. Where is 1? It's right here. Zero 0.9826. 9826, which means from here probability z-score greater than 2.11 will be equal 1 minus 0.9826, which is going to be equal 0.01 0174. Okay. Question number 12. Probability for z-score is greater equal than 0 and less equal 0.655. Equal 0.655. So let's first find out z-score less equal 0. Remember, we are not even looking. This 0 looks like circle. Okay, it's equal 0.5, right? 50% because it's right in the middle. And probability for z-score is less equal 0.655. Let's go for it. 0.6, it's right here. And then 5, both of them are coming second number 5, which means 5 is going to fall right in the middle, right here, between 0.5 and 0.6. So where is our 0.6? Oh, here it is. let's continue going until we hit right here. So we have 0.7422, 0.7454. Middle will be, so we are doing 0.7422 plus 0.7454 and divided by 2. We take the middle, okay? So let me type it in, 0.7422 plus 0.7454, okay, and divided by 2. We are getting 0.7438. 0.7438. 0.7438. Okay, we are good. Thank you to this table. Moving on. So we need to find or maybe I can clean it. We already did it. So from here, probability between 0 and less than 0.655 is equal 0.7438 minus 0.5 is equal 0.2438. And the last question, number 13. So we need to find, it's shaded here. So we have negative 0.93. This is 0. This is 0, negative 0.93. And shading to the left, to the right. Okay, so from here, probability z-score greater than 0. It's negative 0.93. Yeah, this is 0.93. Maybe I should clean this and write over again so it would be readable. Negative 0.93. Yeah, that's much better. So is equal. First we need to find less than, right? Probability for z-score less equal negative 0.93. So let's see, is negative 0.9. Where is our free? Right here. So intersection is going right here. So it's equal 0.1762. So from here, probability for z-score greater than negative 0.93 is equal 1 minus 0.1762. And the answer is going to be 0.8238. And I'm done. Okay. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.